So this is a picture that I just created using Canva AI. So in this video, I'll show you the two methods you can try to create an AI image using Canva AI. So let's try the first method. First, let's navigate to canva.com and then log into your account. So Canva just released a new feature called Canva AI that lets you create not only image but also design or even a web page. But for this video, let's just focus on creating an AI image. Now, let's click Canva AI. The menu is located right here on the left side of the screen, or you can also click on this menu. It is referring to the same thing. Now, let's open the menu. And then here, you can click create an image and you can start describing the image that you want to have. So for this example, I'll try to create a picture of a woman doing a yoga on top of a building while holding a cup of a tea. That's the prompt. I'm going to copy this because I'm going to use it later for the next method. Now here you have the option to to apply a different style to the picture. Now I'm not going to apply any style here. I think I'm going to just select none and let AI decide the style of the picture. And you can also select the aspect ratio. I'll try to use 1:1, which is a square image, and that's about it. Here I'm going to send a message and just wait for Canva AI to generate the picture of a woman doing a yoga on top of a building while holding a cup of tea. It will generate up to 4 images and you can see the result right here. And yeah, they do look quite interesting. I don't know the style here, but I believe it is somewhat similar to cartoon 3D character, and I think they do look pretty amazing. So let me open the one that I think looks the most interesting. I think this one is really beautiful. Let's try this. And there you go. Well, you can actually download this, or you can also open in an editor if you want to do further editing, or if you want to incorporate this on your design, you can click this button. And it is also possible to edit the image, but that's beyond the scope of this video. But basically, this is the picture that you just created using Canva using the first method. Another method that you can try is that you can actually generate a picture directly when you are still working on a design or document in Canva. So here I have a design which is a 1:1 image, an Instagram post document, and I'll create an image directly on this document or in this design. I'm going to add a new page, and then let's navigate to elements. And then here, if you scroll down, you'll see a section called AI image generator. So this is an AI image generator from Canva. Now, I think it's worth mentioning that if you go to the apps menu, and if you search for AI image, you'll see plenty of third-party AI tools that let you generate images. They can be great, but a lot of times they are limited, and also sometimes they're asking you to register to their platform in order to access the feature. So if you want to just use the feature from Canva, then use this method, the elements method, and then navigate to the AI image generator. Click generate your own, and then you can start describing the thing that you want to generate. So I'm going to go back because I just created a new picture, and I'll use the same prompt as before. Now again, you can also select the style that you want to use. I'm not going to select anything, and you can also choose the aspect ratio of the picture. And after that, when you're done with the setting and also the prompt, just click generate image. And by the way, you should be getting 500 credits every single month, which I think is maybe good enough for everyday image generation. So again, it will create 4 different images, and you see the result right here. Okay, this is not looking great. You can see that it's not the way human body works, and I don't know what is the model that is being used in Canva, but if I'm allowed to speculate, I think it is still using some sort of open source model like Stable Diffusion, which is fine, but it is not particularly good at human body. But regardless, it is possible to create a unique picture using this method. So this is the picture of a woman doing yoga with 3 hands and 3 legs, which is very interesting. And by the way, that picture, when you are inserting that to your document, it will be downloaded or transferred to your account. So later you can check that on your upload menu, and then you can reuse it again on your next document or design. So that's the 2 ways you can generate AI images using Canva AI. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.